Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, now we have to initiate our new concept binomial distribution. So, in this session, we will use the concept of binomial thing into probability to find out certain things. So, first, we have certain terminology which we will be using in this session. So, first part is P. So first try to understand who will represent P. So P is represented by probability of a success. Okay. So first thing is P. Then we have Q. So what will be Q? Q is probability of a failure. Okay. Now we have this thing. So they will give you something as success, something as failure. You know that some of these two things will become one. Now, how will you write down the required probability? So the required probability will be written as NCR, and then you will be writing P, and then you will be writing Q. So this thing will be represented as success. So success to the power R, and then you know that the sum of powers will be N only. So first thing will carry power R, and second thing will carry power N minus R. So this is your required probability. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now try to understand certain things which will help you in solving certain problems. So first idea is, you know that the sum of success and failure, probability of success plus probability of failure, will sum up to 1. Then we will be asking you certain questions, that suppose that it is mean. So if I'll ask you about mean, you will be answering n times p. Then if I'll ask you about variance, then you will be answering n p q. So this is variance. Then we have standard deviation. You know that standard deviation is nothing but the square root of variance, so root over n p q. So this is the required thing that you have to understand in this part, and you have to capitalize this thing into certain questions. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can apply this concept into questions. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.